A plastic surgeon is a medical doctor who specializes in the restoration and reconstruction of facial and body features. This can include procedures such as rhinoplasty, breast augmentation, and liposuction. The average annual salary for a plastic surgeon is $375,000. The plastic surgeon's salary can vary depending on a number of factors, such as experience, location, and type of practice. In general, plastic surgeons in larger metropolitan areas tend to earn more than those in rural areas. A plastic surgeon typically completes 4 years of medical school, followed by 5 to 7 years of residency training in general surgery. They must then pass a rigorous certification examination in plastic surgery. The American Board of Plastic Surgery is the certification body for plastic surgeons in the United States. The board offers certification in both plastic surgery and aesthetic surgery. To become certified, a plastic surgeon must complete a residency in plastic surgery and pass a rigorous examination. Plastic surgeon job description. The job of a plastic surgeon can be highly demanding, both physically and emotionally. They must have excellent surgical skills and a strong interest in cosmetic surgery. They must also be able to communicate effectively with their patients and be able to handle difficult situations with compassion and care. The career as a plastic surgeon offers many opportunities for personal and professional growth. Those who are passionate about surgery and helping people look and feel their best will find this to be an extremely rewarding field.